How to get Wayfair working promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Wayfair promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, 50% off, $300 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you are on the official website of it, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way, you can easily get Wayfair working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.